You say the word essential. How does this outage affect the October extension deadline? Do I still have to pay my taxes? Did I
Well,
just not
yeah,
file?
just because the government's shut down doesn't mean you shouldn't pay your taxes. Who knows how long this is going to continue, but it's not going to go on forever. And if you file your tax return late, there's a failure to file penalty, which is 5% a month. For every part of a month the return is late, capped at 5 months or 25%. And then there's a failure to pay penalty that's 1% a month. So you don't want to do that. But the IRS is going to continue what they call essential activities, essential services for the Internal Revenue Service. And that's going to include a mail processing, tax return processing, payments processing. You'll be able to e-file your tax return. If you paper file your tax return by mailing it to the IRS, there will be people at the Internal Revenue Service to open that mail and process those checks. I have always maintained in the recent years that you should always make your payments online to the IRS. I always discourage people from mailing a check to the IRS because it's so common for the IRS to misapply those payments. But if you use the direct pay system on their website, and I used it on behalf of a client today, so I know it is working, then you can make payments to the IRS online and not risk those failure to pay penalties.